What is it? What is it that makes happy, healthy, and wealthy people do what is needed for a better life? What makes them continue while others stop? What makes them always reach the finish line? Welcome to Wellbeing Integrated Toolkit. I had to start the channel with this. I had to talk about it first because it's the first tool you need to learn about to achieve what you want in life. It is your mindset. Mindset is the way you adjust your mind to interpret and behave in certain situations. It defines and controls your attitudes, opinions, thoughts, and actions. Your mindset controls how you think and act. It can make you persistent till the job is done or quit. So why is it important? Life is hard and full of bumpy roads, right? Your mindset is the car you choose to drive in those roads. The right mindset is like a 4x4 car that gets you till the end of those roads. It deals with hot or rainy weather. It works with rocks and sand that gets in the way. The wrong mindset, on the other hand, is like a city car. How far do you think it will get you? Probably till the first hill, or till the weather damages the engine, or till it sinks in the sand. So which mindset you'll drive for a better version of your life? An important question: how many mindsets do we have? From my experience as a physician, a parent, and a coach, there are two types of mindset one can have. One I call the achiever mindset, and the other one is the blamer mindset. Achiever mindset never stops until the goal is completed. Blamer mindset stops after facing few obstacles. You'll be surprised, but sometimes it only takes one tiny block to get the goal cancelled. Achiever mindset focuses on the finish line. Blamer on the roadblocks ahead. Achiever asks what to do to solve this or overcome that. Blamer mindset asks what to blame. Is it father for not giving me more money? Is it teacher for giving a hard exam? With time, achiever becomes powerful in anticipating needed actions and solutions for the possible obstacles and problems to show based on experience. On the other hand, blamer becomes more powerful in anticipating failure due to possible obstacles and problems to show. Those with the achiever mindset are in the driver's seat leading their way, while those with the blamer mindset are in the passenger seat being led by others. You have and use both mindsets in your day. You may have an achiever mindset when going to work or coming back home, but you may have a blamer mindset when you're going to the gym. See, you manage to go to work despite problems you may face like traffic or construction work. You reach your destination even if it's few minutes or hours later. But you manage to reach the office or your house without quitting your job or spending the night in your car. If it is recurrent problems, you ask what to do to get there easier. You think of checking routes before taking them, or leaving earlier or later. Or maybe you come up with an alternative route. Simply you think achieve. While going to the gym gets cancelled for many reasons without paying the same effort to think of solutions. It can be that you're not motivated or energetic, or it's raining outside, or the outfit you wanted is not washed yet. When this happens again and again, you start blaming the weather or your wife or your boss. And so goes the list of excuses why you didn't do what you needed to do to have a better health or wealth. So how it works? First, let me tell you how you operate in your factory mode if you have a reset button for yourself. In this mode, the way you operate is that you think, then feel, then act. So, you think of walking for the first time. It feels exciting. Then it makes you start walking. You fall and then walk again. You do this fall-walk cycle a couple of times till you finally walk. Mindset is that tool you used to walk again after you fell. This is the normal way we should be living. And yes, you're right. This is what children is doing. They have one mindset at that time, the achiever one. They use it in crawling, walking, running, eating, drinking. They use it a lot. Then those children grow, and they are introduced to the blamer mindset. Maybe from their parents by telling them, you can't play basketball because you're short, or from school that teaches them that IQ is the real differentiator. If you're smart, you'll succeed. So since we were children, we have known and behaved with a blamer mindset many times. As a result of this, instead of think, feel, and act, we now operate as we think of losing weight, then we think of the failed attempts from the past, then it feels bad, then we take no action. Or even worse, we think of losing weight, it feels healthy and good. Then we think of the failed attempts from the past, then it feels bad. Then we think confusion from these mixed thoughts, then it feels overwhelming, then we take no action. It is totally up to you to choose which mindset to lead your life. And if you want to know which one you have right now, click on the Mindset Evaluator link below. Evaluate yourself and most importantly, ask what to do to improve. A highly recommended resource for this topic is one of my basic tools. It is the book called Mindset, The New Psychology of Success by Carol Dweck. Link in description below. Click on it, have it, and learn it. Also, I created a mindset map that you can display in your office or house. It shows the roads taken by both mindsets in a graphic way. You can also teach it to your children as well and make them see each path. The link is in the description below. So your next actions are: have the evaluator tool and mindset map now, have the recommended book and start learning it, and subscribe for more tools to empower yourself with.